and I'm a little upset. We knew that the snowstorm was going to continue, and my brother just slept his way through the morning, and I was stuck clearing the pathway outside our parking spot. I cleaned my car, I cleaned my dad's car, and I even warmed up his car, but no, he didn't get up. He got up after I finished clearing everything, and like when I was leaving the house, and well, I was leaving the house and I was driving away, and my bottom lip was frozen. He just moseys on out, and he's like, "Thanks." You know, I wonder, and I don't know if he just takes it for granted sometimes. I'm so angry right now. I'm really, really angry. And I tell him, I'm like, well, thanks for helping. He's like, well, how was I supposed to know it was going to snow? Like, we were in a snowstorm driving around last night. You knew it was going to keep snowing. Anyways, I don't know if I'm making a big deal for nothing, but I'm imagining I'm the sister. I should be the one who's being helped, not the other way around. Anyways, I'm going to take that out of my head. That's not a good way to start the morning. So, and I plan on having a great day, so I'm going to get that out of my system. And that'll be that, and I'm not going to think about it at all for the rest of the day. That's the plan. Look at the difference 24 hours make. Seriously, I don't know if you recall what it looked like yesterday, but it definitely did not look like this. Beautiful, beautiful day in Montreal. It's not even that cold. And this is what it looks like post-snowstorm. Look how clear the roads are. If you want to go back to my video yesterday, I don't know if I filmed exactly at the spot, but even if I didn't, you can definitely see the difference in how clean the highway is. It's as if there was nothing yesterday. I love Montreal for its snow clearing operation. On the highway, on the side streets and in downtown, it really sucks, but I have to say they did a pretty good job out here. I mean, even last night, even if you look at my video last night, it was 11 o'clock at night, and now it's 9:30 in the morning, and it's super clear. Loving it! I just found a really cool blog. This girl subscribed to my channel, my other channel, and she's based in Saudi Arabia. I love it. I love it. She sounds like a brilliant girl. It's super late. It's almost 8 o'clock, and I got out of work about 20 minutes ago, like around 7:20. There's my shadow. Hi! Yeah, I was talking to my boss and I had to wait for something to come through, and now I'm on my way to picking out my boots. I don't know if you remember, but I had my boots fixed, and the shoe guy told me that he could fix it, another pair that I had brought in, but it would take longer. So I'm coming to get those. I'm going to be bringing them to I think I'll be bringing them to LA. Although they are suede, and they might be a little hot. Anyways, we'll see. There is definitely a line up. No, it's okay. Take your time. No problem. Yeah, you know.
How's everything? Good?
Yes, I need them. I'm going on a trip. Although I think they might be a little too hot. Oh, they're perfect.
Yeah, now you don't have problems. You go.
Oh, it's so good. It was such a great idea.
Yeah, yeah. We saved the boots. I mean.
Oh my goodness! I'm so excited.
Okay.
Okay, and I need to buy one of these.
Yeah.
Can you tell me how to use it, please?
This. Okay. You're gonna put on it. Just let me try. Okay. You put as long as you see it's taking in, you put like.
Okay.
2 times maybe.
Okay.
Okay, and that's it.
Just spray on it.
Yeah.
And on leather as well.
Yeah.
Like on.
Yeah.
These ones are gonna.
That's all right.
Okay.
But when it is dry, not when it is dry.
Okay. How much do I owe you?
22 and 12, 22, 54.
Why is this not?
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great night.
Thank you.
See you.
Have a good one.
Bye. You too.
I wasn't expecting it to cost that much, but it totally saved my shoes. Worth every penny.